local weather with the KX News Storm Team.
Well, it wasn't until just a couple of weeks ago there was light in the sky at 9 o'clock, and boy, this camera looks pitch black. Normal high in Bismarck 78 degrees at 73 right now, and the wind is out of the east-northeast at 7 miles an hour. The dew point fairly comfortable in the low 50s, and in Minot, yeah, dark as well. 77 is the normal high temperature right now. It's 65 and a north breeze of 5 miles an hour. The dew point at 45, and that's actually up. The dew point in Minot during KX News at 5 was 39, so very comfortable air mass in place. Temperatures are pretty decent too, mid to upper 50s across the Turtle Mountains down into Rugby, but otherwise mostly 60s and 70s and fairly light winds, so a beautiful night to be outdoors. Looking at the wind speed, roughly 5 to 10 miles an hour, slightly stronger in Hettinger, but overall just a beautiful night. And besides the heat, it is going to start getting windy for a couple of days too, by the way, and not like seriously windy, but a lot windier than we have had. So looking at our precision cast, this high is going to continue to track to the east during the overnight hours. And here comes that southerly flow and a warm front. And those two things are going to mean a very hot day tomorrow. I think eastern Montana and western North Dakota could easily hit triple digits tomorrow. There might even be some spots in eastern Montana that hit 103, 104, 105. I don't think we're going to get quite that hot in North Dakota. And that wildfire smoke that's up in the atmosphere may hold back the temperature a couple of degrees. We'll have to wait and see how that pans out. But even at that, it's still going to be very, very hot tomorrow. And then as we get into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, a cold front's going to start dropping by, and there's likely going to be areas of rain. Now, this is going to be real light rain. And first off, with the atmosphere as dry as it is, it's going to try to rain, but it's going to be raining into a drier atmosphere, air below it, and it's going to evaporate. So at some point, it's likely going to reach the ground. But again, that's just a long explanation as don't expect heavy rain out of this. Then by overnight, tomorrow night into Thursday morning, could be some light sprinkles, maybe some rain showers as that cold front pushes through. And then by Thursday morning, still might be some other rain behind the cold front. I think we might have a little better chance of some of this reaching the ground. And notice how you see a lot of these wind streams up here. That's a pretty good sign, especially when they're moving pretty quickly. But it is going to be pretty windy. So Thursday, I think we're going to be looking at wind gusts maybe 30 miles an hour. And still that chance of rain. Here we are Thursday during the midday hours. Could be some light showers from place to place during the day on Thursday afternoon, and even on Friday, at least Friday morning. And then high pressure is going to be moving in. And Friday night into Saturday morning with the clearing sky and Canadian high pressure, there might be some spots, possibly in the northwest, that could have some frost by Saturday morning. So we'll be some areas triple digits tomorrow to the possibility of frost on Saturday. That is a big change. Red flag warning, heat advisory in eastern Montana. That's for tomorrow. And the next 72 hours for Dickinson from close to 100 to mid-60s in 2 days. In Williston, close to 100, mid-60s again in 2 days. So looking at our lows tonight, mostly 50s. And you know what? Tomorrow night's going to be even warmer than tonight. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the 90s, even some triple digits. And here's a Bismarck 7-day outlook, and we have some very hot weather tomorrow. Not terribly humid, but it is going to cool off for Friday and Saturday, and even Sunday. And Brooke and Nicholas, you know what? It's going to actually feel like fall, even though the calendar won't say it quite yet.
All right, early fall temperatures.